The Assam unit of the Bharatiya Janata Party on Saturday launched a public outreach portal titled Sankalp Patra at Vajpayee Bhavan in Guwahati, inviting citizens to share their suggestions for the party's manifesto ahead of the 2026 Assam Assembly elections. The portal was formally launched by BJP State President Dilip Saikia. Addressing the media, Assam Minister Ranoj Pegu said the initiative aims to incorporate the aspirations of the people into the BJP's election manifesto. He added that apart from the missed call facility, the party has also introduced multiple platforms for public participation. The minister appealed to citizens across the state to actively participate in changing the BJP's vision for Assam by contributing their ideas and expectations.
View of the forthcoming assembly election of Assam. Today, Assam BJP has released a missed call number whereby the citizens of the state can give suggestions to the Assam State BJP for inclusion of our aspirations, people's aspirations. We have launched a slogan, Raijar Akankha, People's Aspiration, and BJP Sankalpa, BJP's please. So we are appealing to the citizens of this state to give their valuable suggestions which are to be included in our manifesto, in our Sankalp, in our pleas for the forthcoming 2026 election. Apart from the missed call, we have also given a website, an email ID, a QR code, and also a IVR mechanism, interactive voice response mechanism, whereby in Assamese, in English, any other regional languages, people can give their suggestions for the forthcoming elections. वो तो खुलासा हो ही जाएगा और खुलासा हो ही रहा है। पाकिस्तानी टीवी लोग जिस तरह से उसका गुणगान कर रहा है, उसका प्रशंसा कर रहा है, तो वो पाकिस्तानी टीवी से ही सबको मालूम हो जाना चाहिए कि वो पाकिस्तान का एजेंट है। Congress party, they have lost their orientation. They do not have any organizational network. It is out of their frustration. They just, in the name of their politics, they just address press conference, file FIR, etc. Because their attempt to go to the public has miserably failed.
আইমাতৃ মহিলা শক্তিৰ পৰা যুৱ শক্তিলৈ জ্যেষ্ঠ নাগৰিকসকলৰ পৰা যুৱ বন্ধু বান্ধৱীসকললৈকে বিভিন্ন ক্ষেত্ৰত যিসকল ব্যক্তিয়ে সমাজখনক সন্মুখৰ পৰা নেতৃত্ব দিয়ে, অপিনিয়ন ক্ৰিয়েট কৰে, মতামত নিৰ্ণয় কৰে, নিৰূপণ কৰে, প্ৰতিগৰাকী কৃষকৰ পৰা আৰম্ভ কৰি দিব্যাংগজনলৈকে সকলোৰে পৰা মই এই গোটেই প্ৰক্ৰিয়াটোত সংকল্প পত্ৰ প্ৰস্তুতিৰ প্ৰক্ৰিয়াটোত আপোনালোকৰ ইনভলভমেণ্ট, আপোনালোকৰ অংশগ্ৰহণ, অংশীদাৰিত্ব যাতে সুনিশ্চিত হয়, আপোনালোকৰ পৰামৰ্শবিলাক যাতে লৈ আমি আগবাঢ়ি যাব পাৰোঁ, তাৰ কাৰণে অসমৰ প্ৰতিগৰাকী ব্যক্তিলৈ, নাগৰিকলৈ মই বিনম্ৰতাৰে আহ্বান জনাইছোঁ।